In this video, we will talk about branches in Git. So this is a very nice picture just of a tree. And idea is not to talk about tree here, obviously, but I just wanted to show you how a tree has branches. And same way, Git also has branches. And the idea is pretty much similar, like there is one main trunk and then there are branches. Git is pretty much same. When you create an empty Git repository, it creates a master branch. So it may be something like this, right? And this is your master branch. And then there is this developer, and suppose he or she gets a new feature to work on. Ideally, it is better to create a feature branch for that. And all the commits and the changes to the files will happen on this branch. And you can push it to unit testing and all those things. You can do all the kind of testing in here, and then if everything is fine, you can merge back this feature branch to master branch again. So what it gives is it gives flexibility to us that we need not go and change the master branch code unless it is really tested. So master branch code can reflect what is in the production. So the code inside the master branch is fully unit tested, its integration testing is done, and all other testings are done. But when you start working on new feature, it is highly recommended you create a feature branch and then make the changes in there and then merge back to the master branch once everything is working properly. And then this is another branch. So another branch by the same developer or another developer, and this will also have its own changes, and then you can merge back those changes into the master branch. So the idea is that all these feature branches should be short-lived. So once they do what it needs to do, that particular feature. So once that particular feature is completed, you should push those changes and delete this branch after that. So that's the idea behind these branches. We will discuss how to merge this feature branch into the master branch in the subsequent videos. So these changes are all in the local repository, and once everything is merged to the master branch, you can push the entire repository to the central repository. So for example, in Git server, in GitHub, or in Azure repos.